The next song you're going to learn is Jump Rope Jump. Right hand melody. So you're gonna practice the melody with right hand. Make sure to have staccato and those rests. Make sure to have those accurate counts. And it says left hand melody kicks. And it explains right here, melody kicks. Play the accompaniment part with the same rhythm as melody. So you're gonna play 1, 5, 1 with those rhythm. Same rhythm with the melody. 1, rest, rest. Go to 5, rest, 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 rest. And I'm sure you can figure the rest of them out by yourself.